Hi guys, in this video, we'll be talking about some of the phenomena which can possibly happen to our planet, which can ruin it, or maybe the humanity can lose all of it if those phenomena ever occur on our planet. So let's talk about that. The first one is like the most common phenomena that we humans can think of, and it sounds quite intimidating and like with full of curiosity people can think about it. And the first phenomena is a phenomena of alien invasion. That what if some aliens from extraterrestrial species from some other galaxy, from some other world can come to our planet, and let's say that they are stronger than us, wiser than us, so they can definitely take over us. They can control all the machinery that at current time we are controlling. And it can definitely happen because anything which is more powerful than other is going to have a control over that thing. So power will definitely, it's definitely the most important thing. It can take over whatever the thing which is already present in our planet. So for that, the extraterrestrial species should be aware that okay, we exist, and the main thing that they should be aware of is that we are weaker. We are not as strong as how they are. So definitely they will misuse this very thing, and they will take over us. They will definitely rule us, I would definitely say. Because when you check out our planet, okay, you know that we humans, we are the most intelligent species, and it's not even about the size, okay, because you know that there are several animals on our planet which are a lot bigger than us. So size is definitely not a factor. That your brain is definitely the most powerful thing that you have. Okay, it is even powerful, more powerful than money or maybe the physical power. So physical power is important, but you know very well that even the lions and the tigers also have a very great strength, and in spite of all that we are keeping them in cage. Because they don't have that kind of cranial capacity the way we have, right? So, if you remember, this is a very famous thing that Stephen Hawking, he basically warned us that we should never disclose our location, okay, to other so-called people that we can imagine in our very galaxy or in the universe. Because there is a chance that they might know our location and they can come in and then take over us. It can definitely happen. You cannot expect everybody to be very kind to you, okay? You cannot expect that those aliens are going to come and you will welcome them, you will give them some sweets. Of course, this is not going to happen. Okay, they will definitely ruin you. And of course, Harvard, they're being study done by Harvard University, and they actually said that these aliens are watching us. Okay, they know that we exist, and they're trying to watch us and trying to understand that how we work. Like what are we doing. For example, I am recording this video, so those aliens will be able to understand, okay, this is some fellow recording videos. Then they will understand that why do we record videos and where I'm going to post it and all that. And there's a very great possibility they're already doing this. Fact that just because you're not aware of anything, that doesn't mean it is not going to happen. We humans, we are so indulged in our lives, like scrolling reels and doing some random bullshit. So we don't even think of such things to happen. And whenever we think of such things, people, they make fun of us. Okay, they tell you what the hell are you thinking and all that.